Hi, I'm Sarah Freese, lead designer of the Collaborative Crisis Management Workshop. Every team at some stage or another faces really difficult times. It could be the loss of a key account or key customer, it could be some bad publicity, or an external event that has a significant impact on your people. So, how you deal with these crises can make or break a team. So, in this 60-minute workshop, what you will create is through a very, very simple and safe and effective process, a way to deal with these difficult emotions, a way for the team to be able to creatively and collaboratively explore problem solving for this specific event, and a way for the team to create an aligned and shared response to this event. This is a really important workshop if you want to build greater trust in the team, resilience, and of course, lead bravely.